Thank you for joining Failure Prevention Associates on our mission for reliability excellence. Working in a failure-rich environment is a nasty business. We know what you endure every day. The sleepless nights, the ringtone that makes you feel unwell, hellishly difficult days, lost production, the retirement of talented and irreplaceable personnel, and the gushing of cash from your budget. It is a nightmare for some, but reality for you. You are paying a terrible toll, and are suffering needlessly. The question is, are you planning to suffer again tomorrow? A week? A month? Longer? Or will you seize this opportunity to stop it forever? Failure Prevention Associates has developed a high-performance answer for transforming even the most horrific, failure-prone, hopeless operations into incredible successes. This solution, or system prescription, is the cure for the disease called failure. The program was engineered by Mr. David Krings, our Director of Reliability and Optimization, to be remotely delivered. System prescription is not a hastily contrived solution, brought about by the COVID-19 virus, like so many others shoveling nonsense into your inbox. Instead, it is a finely tuned instrument, forged from decades of research and testing, to hit the target of reliability, every single time. It has always been remote coached, because the alternatives are inferior. Our system gives you efficient access to experienced reliability experts, managers of change and skilled field service technicians. You retain personal control of your reliability program, and the pace of change, at all times. You have help at your fingertips at a tremendous value, and no surprises. This is far superior to having a group of consultants lurking around your facility, causing confusion, distracting your team and suctioning your budget dry. In the event that you need hands-on assistance, with a particularly challenging problem, Failure Prevention Associates can deploy the correct resources for the task, and you can rest assured that they will do precisely what you expect, because you built the reliability program together. You have a choice to make, to let things remain as they are, or to lead your operation into the light, and change it for the better. It is your decision. Won't you please contact Failure Prevention Associates now, to begin the journey toward brighter days? Your project will receive our undivided attention. Thank you kindly for your time.